Good morning, everyone. My name is Deborah Johnston from Invest Northern Ireland, and you're very welcome to today's webinar, Social Media Trends for Your Business in 2024. This webinar is delivered today by Declan Murtagh of Brilliant Red Digital. Declan is a digital consultant with Brilliant Red Digital. He's a social media specialist and speaker with over 10 years' experience across a range of industry sectors. He has an extensive social media background, having delivered campaigns both client-side in senior marketing roles and agency-side in account management and project-based roles. After the presentation, there will be a question and answer session with Declan, and thank you to everyone who has already submitted a question. If you have a specific question now or one that comes up during the course of the presentation, please use the questions tab on your webinar control panel to send it through to us. We are also recording this webinar and it will be available on the investni.com website. We will email you to let you know when it is available online. It now gives me great pleasure to welcome our presenter today, Declan Murtagh from Brilliant Red Digital.
Thanks, Deborah, and thanks to you and your team for having me back again this year to talk about what's in store for the social media landscape in 2024. As we know, it's a very ever-evolving landscape that has impacts for both large and small businesses here in Northern Ireland. In terms of social media, there's no sign of it declining. It's still growing year on year. It's now amassed around 5 billion users globally, which is huge penetration of the global market. And it's projected to keep on growing for the foreseeable future. Last year was a fairly big year for social media. We've seen TikTok reaffirm its position as probably the fastest growing social media platform around at the moment. We've seen all the other social media channels scramble to introduce features similar to that of TikTok. We've seen YouTube Shorts, and we've seen Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels. We also seen the rise of nano and micro influencers, along with content creators last year. We also seen how important it was for businesses to produce authentic or as authentic as possible content. We've seen TikTok introduce social commerce capabilities, with shoppers being more willing to buy directly on platforms. And of course, probably the content trend of last year was that short form vertical video content. And as we step into 2024, we see those social media platforms really continue to, I suppose, shape the way we engage with content and how we connect with one another and how we connect with our customers and audiences online. In today's webinar, we're going to explore the latest social media trends, strategies, and some of the best practices which can really help businesses here in Northern Ireland and further afield to really excel and grow their social media audiences. And I suppose whether you're a seasoned marketing professional, a seasoned social media professional, a business owner, or someone who's just curious about what's in store for social media in 2024, hopefully there's something in here for everyone. So let's dive into what trends are in store for 2024 and what opportunities that may exist.